An application for Lock Screen OS 18 is designed to enhance the security and personalization of Android devices by providing a visually appealing and customizable lock screen interface. This type of application often features a sleek and modern design, mimicking the look and feel of recent operating systems. Users can typically personalize their lock screens with various themes, wallpapers, and widgets that display important information, such as time, weather, and notifications. In addition to aesthetic improvements, these applications usually offer enhanced security features, such as password protection, fingerprint recognition, or pattern locks, ensuring that users' devices are safe from unauthorized access. Some applications may also include shortcuts for quick access to frequently used apps, allowing for a more efficient user experience. Overall, this type of lock screen application combines style and functionality, providing users with an attractive way to secure their devices while also offering customization options that reflect their personal tastes.